In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Microsoft Forms. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the free version of Microsoft 365 Online. This online portal provides access to a wide range of productivity tools, one of which is Microsoft Forms. The website is designed to be simple and accessible, allowing you to get started with minimal delay. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and available options. After the Microsoft 365 Online homepage has loaded, look for the Sign In option. You will notice that the Sign In link is prominently placed, ensuring quick access to your account. Clicking on the Sign In link will prompt you to enter your credentials. This step guarantees that all your work is securely saved and that you have access to any previously created surveys or forms. Signing in is an essential step to ensure that your progress is saved and synchronized with your account across devices. Once you have successfully signed in, the next stage is to access Microsoft Forms Home. This area of the site is specifically dedicated to creating and managing forms, surveys, and questionnaires. The Microsoft Forms homepage offers an overview of all the tools you need to design an effective survey, and its clear layout makes it easy for both beginners and experienced users alike to navigate. You are now ready to move on to the next part of the process. Within the Microsoft Forms interface, you will find a section known as the Template Gallery. This gallery is designed to offer you a variety of pre-made survey templates to save time and guide you in structuring your survey effectively. The templates cater to a range of purposes, from customer feedback to internal evaluations, providing you with a solid foundation to build upon. The template gallery is not only a time saver but also an inspirational resource, showcasing how professional surveys can be structured. After you have examined the available templates, choose the one that best suits your needs. The template you select will serve as a starting point, providing standard questions and layout design that you can customize. This template acts as a skeleton for your survey and ensures that you have all the basic elements needed to gather meaningful data. Once you have selected the template survey, proceed to edit the template. The editing process is straightforward, as Microsoft Forms offers a user-friendly interface that lets you modify questions, adjust response formats, and tailor the overall design of the survey. As you edit, think about the specific information you wish to collect and make sure that each question is crafted clearly. The ability to customize each element ensures that your survey is both visually appealing and functionally robust. By the end of this process, you will have transformed a pre-made survey into a personalized tool designed to capture the information you need. The free online tools provided by Microsoft 365 and the flexibility of Microsoft Forms combine to create a powerful platform for survey creation. Enjoy the process and take advantage of the features Microsoft Forms has to offer.